Hello, this is a step-by-step guide on how to set up Active Directory. In this video we will see the process of implementing and installation Active Directory. This will be done initially by installing the Active Directory domain service role and then by promoting the server to be the first domain. At the same time we will also install the DNS server role to use Active Directory integrated. But before proceeding ahead we need to start in time adjustment, then continue static IP addressing, and each step is to highlight in adding its installation. First I'm going to local server and click the time zone and change the time and region setting. After you choose and change the time zone, click OK. After that I'm going to click Ethernet adapter and select Properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. After that put IP address and the default gateway. Then put the preferred DNS server, then click OK and close. Then here open the Server Manager. And here we have the Add Roles and Features, so let's click on it. Then on Before You Begin screen there are certain things that we need to verify, and after that, click on Next. And here we have options to select server roles. After you select, click on Next. Here as you can see the installation progress, we will wait until this process is done. Okay, here as you can see the process has been completed, so we're finished in the ads installation.